welcome to my presentation of modular hexagonal habitat architecture, not only for lunar settlement. And I don't want to present sci-fi, I want to present hard engineering. Normally it's the other way around. We have technology in space and bring it down to Earth. I want to do the opposite. We have hard engineering on Earth, and I want to do the same on the Moon. So the first principle should be for us humans to extend life beyond Earth. We have the decision to go down with Earth in a few billion years. Okay, that's it. All life is gone. Or we extend into the universe. Those are the two possibilities. And therefore we need to think about how do we progress not only to the Moon, but beyond. So the principles, as you heard before, it needs to be modularized. Otherwise it won't work. You need one structure and repeat it again and again and again. That's the easiest part. Production is hard. You probably heard it. And also it needs to stand the test of time. A lot of concepts are just placed there, okay? They have a lander, done. But you need to think about a concept that is suited for hundreds or thousands of years. And as you heard before, engineering won't do the trick. We will progress in technology, so our ECLS or basically any other system needs to be addressed and changed over time, over a couple of hundreds or thousands of years. And again, it needs to be modular. So, nobody's using currently the Starship. It's not flying yet, but every concept I see is small and maybe a CubeSat, and they are cool, but nobody's actually utilizing the Starship and the intense mass and cargo space that is available in a couple of years. So you could fit 3 habitats easily in it for size comparison, ESA, and I want to build it like we built the German Neumayer station in Antarctica. So it's just cargo containers. It's basically cargo containers and a hull. And I want to do the same with space. Basically the habitat is just a logistic structure. It's essentially just cargo. You have a square rocket and you need to fit something in. It can't be rectangular, obviously. The perfect would be square, but then again, on the surface of the Moon, you can't tessellate. The only structure that can tessellate is a triangle and a hexagon. So you go for a hexagon. Now, you could build in different phases because it's modular. So first you would bring rovers on the Moon, give them electricity and so on. Next you maybe pressurize your first habitat. Then you have systems for oxygen generation and so on. So you don't have to have a habitat that's a one-trick pony, you know? You can have different modules suited for different tasks. Obviously you need to take care of solar radiation, and also the most important part is actually you need to consider your shielding, because if you use lead, for example, you will create secondary particles which are way more harmful. So you just can't, you need to consider this as well. And ESA had a great concept back then, just cover it in regular. That's it. That's it. That's it. You bring the structure, cover it, done. And this is my proposal, LUMO Habitats, a hexagonal architecture. We could literally build it right now. We have every technology on Earth to build this. Just hexagonal, an adapter, put it together, cover it in dirt, done. You have a habitat, and you can do all your crazy science fiction, 3D printing, regolith, and so on. But we need to get there first. So you need to have tank farms maybe, you need to have solar arrays. Obviously, without energy you can't do anything. So you need to have a real infrastructure, otherwise nothing will work either on the Moon or on Mars. So a provocative question for you. Do you think China could build this? Yeah, in a week, maybe 2. Give them access to the Starship and they will have it in 2 months, okay? Easy. It's a really easy concept, and I'm so angry that nobody is pursuing it because it's so obvious. Okay, next question for you. Could SpaceX build this? Yeah, most definitely. They have all the engineering to do this. It's not science fiction, it's pretty straightforward, and I think we should pursue it. And ultimately, my last question for you would be this. Could we as humanity, build this on Enceladus? Go beyond the moon, go beyond Mars, go beyond our solar system, and we will have probably way better habitats in the future. No doubt. I hope we will have way better habitats. But for a start of a base, for a start of a new chapter for a start of mankind and all life on Earth, we can take them with us anywhere we go. So, yeah, this is my proposal. And it's pretty straightforward. It's how we build a modular, hexagonal habitat architecture for basically everywhere. Thank you so much.